Yeah. Hello, good afternoon, guys, and see you again with me, Nanan Sharifuddin. And today I will show you a tutorial in Microsoft PowerPoint. So, what we are going to do today is I would like to explain or tell you some tips in making a background, make or create a unique background. Okay, now we have already opened the PowerPoint application. In here we have TIK and Nanan Sharifuddin, and the background is white, so we will try to change the background into as unique as possible. Let's watch. Okay, the first one is we click the design. The first appearance will be like this, and then we click design, we click format background. In here there are four types or four style in editing the background. There are solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern. And now I will try to go with the solid fill first. In here the solid fill give background in one color. So if we choose yellow here, so the background will be yellow. So if we choose red, it will be red. And if we want to add more color, we can choose more color, and yep, we choose any kind of color that we want to apply in our background of PowerPoint. For example, this color, and then we click OK. Yes, and the color will change into the color that we choose before. That's for solid color. And next here is for gradient fill. In here there are a lot of option in combining the color to create a gradient fill. For example, in here we have yellow and blue and white. So for gradient fill, we can choose the color that we want to make the gradient. For example, we want to change the color, the yellow color into red, so we choose red. Here will be red, and for another color we can choose also, maybe we want black. Okay, we can choose black, and another color we choose blue. So the color will be like this: blue, red, and then black. But we can do more combination between the color by drag this into right and left to find the most appropriate or the gradient that we look for. Yeah, we can change if we think that it doesn't really match with the color or the font. We can change again, and we can drag again to find the color that we want. Yes, that's for gradient. So we can combine 3 or more color to make our gradient. And in here we can also change the direction. In here the direction is linear because the gradation from the color is layer per layer, but we can change into radial. There are some kind of style in making a gradient. This and then this linear, we can also change into radial. Yep, so like this. And we can also change rectangular and paths. It's based on our creativity in combining the style and also the color. That's for gradient fill. And then the third is picture or texture fill. In here for texture, it's already available in Microsoft PowerPoint itself. We can only choose kind of texture that we want. But if we want to make a picture to be our background, we can choose file, click the file button, and then we look for the picture we want to place in our background. For example, yeah, like this. We want to make this picture into the background, and then we click insert, and we wait for any seconds, and the background will change into the picture we chose, like this. Let's do it again. We change the picture into another picture. For example, yep, this we choose, and then we click insert. We wait for any seconds, and then the background will change, yes, like this. And the last is pattern fill. In the pattern fill, there are a lot of patterns that provided by Microsoft PowerPoint itself. You can choose in here. There are a lot of types, a lot of options, and we can only change the color of the pattern. For example, we choose this pattern or this pattern. The pattern color is blue, but we can change into any other color that we want. For example, green, or we can change into red, or any other color that depends on our creativity. And yep, that's all for today tutorials. There are the way to change the background of our PowerPoint display to make it more interesting, to make it more beautiful, and hopefully it will be very useful for us in operationing the presentation, operationing the Microsoft PowerPoint. And goodbye, see you in my next tutorial. Bye.